Alright, it's me again. I just posted something. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna be singing something that I've made, written. Well, partially not done yet, but I'm gonna finish it hopefully soon. It's me writing a song. This song I titled it as Darkness, and I hope you like it. Everything breaks and falls, and you understand that the pain, the thrill, all the secrets kept in and not out, the power of your words and fails, the brokenness of what you say, all has the things towards what people say and do. All this damn darkness rides up into us, crawling in and out of our skins, breaking the way we live in peace, creating something much worse than hate. Have you ever seen the dead deeds of anger, black rips of holes in the world moving throughout and of our lives? Well, so far that's what it is, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I might learn how. Well, I'm hopefully gonna get a acoustic. Hopefully I said that right. Guitar, and sooner or later get an electric bass. And no, well, electric bass, guitar, regular guitar, lead guitar. Well, learn how to play. Yeah, I learned it. Woo, it's me. Hi. Okay, so I was hoping that I learn soon. Well, at least I know how to play. Well, not really. I know bass, clef, treble clefs, all that basic stuff in music. And I'd love to know for some ideas for what songs to sing. I'd love to know that. And sooner or later, I would love to get enough money to get a new webcam or a camera or a video camera, so I can actually look not blurry and really slow. If you understand what I'm saying. So, hope you guys enjoyed of my little song that I'm making.